Well, I think it's time to start potting on some of these chilies. Some have taken, some haven't. Some are getting a bit leggy. It's like, for example, these chilies here have not really taken. That one has started to come through. That one I just pulled out. Awfully clever of me, wasn't it? And that's the chocolate pepper. So I'm going to get these sewn on. I've only got one jalapeno. The ones that are saved from last year's seeds, some of these have come through. But my little experiment from that jar, none there yet. I don't know if you can actually see them or not, but they're actually starting to grow roots on the legs, trying to probably get more soil. So I'm going to put them into little square pots because square pots will fit better than the little round ones. So it's less a case of just filling these up. The thing is though, the soil's a little bit too cold, I think. So these will be going straight back indoors under the lights and in the actual propagator, just to keep the soil warm. So I think what I'll do first of all is I'll actually do the one jalapeno that I've got. So this one, it's got one jalapeno. You can use a label if you wish to prick them out gently. I've got it by the leaves and the actual stem. Roots are not too bad. Let me just shift that there for a minute. What I'm going to do is shove my finger right down to the bottom and then pack that in there the best I can. I'm going to push it down with my fingers, trying to stab it too much, and then backfill. Now hopefully now this will stop curling. I think what's happened is it's actually hit the top of the grow lights, so I need to make the actual dome, put lights now on top of the dome again. So that's the one jalapeno. Write that label because it's faded and I'm getting a few. And basically I can't read the damn things after a while. So I'm going to pop some of these on, I'll show you how I'm getting on. Right, so these are my peppers in now. These will be going back indoors. I got hot lemon, hot pepper, jalapenos, frenzo, orange spice, scotch bonnet, hot lemon, cyan flavour. I got a couple of those. Some peppers that are mixed. My little experiment hasn't come through, but it's going back inside. I'm going to give it a chance. I'll show you now a little bit of a setup that I've got. I'll put you back on my phone because in the greenhouse the GoPro's not very good for showing stuff. So in here I've got some geranium mixed, different colours. In this one here I've got viola. They're like a mixed lemon mix, I think they're called. And here I've got all year round cauliflower. That's a second sowing. The first lot didn't do too good because they're old seeds. Let me start over here. These here are the sweet pea. Some of them I haven't taken, which is mad really because they're a fresh packet of seeds. All these here are cucumbers. Now unfortunately I used this pen and now guess what, it faded. So I've got Burplus and Market More in there, so I don't know which one's which. But I've got two cucumbers here, two of them. These are the cucumber mini. I've got some spring onions. They're not really took, so I might re-sow them. And I've got these here. They are round lettuce. Look at that. Faded again. Those are Bedfordshire Champion onions. These I think are leeks. So there got leeks coming through. And lettuce salad mix is this one here. I'm going to rewrite these labels in a minute as well to use I bought myself another little pen, which is one of these. It's actually an ink pen. So this is for the greenhouse. Let me just put it on pause and we'll take it outside to the garden. I don't know if any of you remembered, but that's me actual bulb lasagna that I did. So they're looking bad. Bought them from Garden Centre. No, I didn't sow them, which I did. They're looking that good. Now, these are the onions that I put in. I started them off last year in the actual greenhouse. All those I sent you. Got a big gap here, and I'm going to put in there. I will probably put shallots. These are the elephant garlic up to here, so all those are elephant. I don't know what that weed is, but it keeps on going back quick and I can pull the bloody thing out. These are little garlics. And all these in this bed are all snowball. And last but not least, these are radar. So all in all, they're not looking too bad. I found a packet of daffodil bulbs that I forgot to plant, so I'll put them all into one of these big trays to try and give me a little bit of a chance. Then my spare garlic, they're left over, so they're in. They are elephant garlic again. All those there, they were supposed to be going to the allotment, but I never got the time. And these here, they was in the greenhouse, I've just chucked them out, as you can see, with the roots. They are just the bulb of the elephant garlic. And I've got some raspberries growing in my fig tree, so I might have to pull them out. And some of these are my bushes ready for going back in. But that's my setup again this year, so it's not too bad. I've got here, I've never forgot about all these. These are cabbage. These ones here are Savoy. These are pak choy, them ones there. I've got these ones here which are evergreens, autumn greens even. And these are broccoli, so this straight is broccoli. These are Atlantis. Some have not took. And I've got some spinach on the go in that one. And these haven't took off as of yet, but they are in the greenhouse. These are kohlrabi, the white and the purple. And once again, look at these, how these are faded. That's that purple marker. I need to get all these written back up. So that's all I've been up to really. Probably like everybody else. The season's just about starting now, so it's now starting to get going. Let me show you the actual temperature in here at the moment. It's not too bad, is it? And look, the windows are open. Short and sweet. I'm going to stitch these together the best I can because I've had to put stuff on my GoPro, and hopefully you could see me potting on those chilies. I didn't do every single one of them because I didn't want to bore you to death. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you all again. Bye bye.